So the biggest story of this all, and it is a beautiful telling, and this is the correct context, all right? In Luke 15:11-32, there is the story of the prodigal son, right? And we all consider ourselves prodigals, and we are. On a personal level, every single person has to make that journey, of repentance to faith to change. Okay, in the Hebrew, it's called, you do your tikkun and teshiva. You do teshiva and tikkun. Those are the Hebrew words. Okay, so that we've always, but this is something so much bigger, people, and this is how we have to understand. In the Torah, it is talking big picture, all at the same time. Big picture and little individual. So you got macro and micro. So when the Father, I want to say, he's talking about the lost sheep. He says in Matthew 15:24, I have come for the lost sheep, hear me, of the house of Israel. Now, what I have found out by studying, that's a very specific demographic. That's us. We are the house of Israel. We are the lost sheep. So the point is, we are the ones who Yeshua came for. Have you ever wondered why he had to come twice? Because he did. I mean, that was the Father's prerogative. He came the first time to ingather all of these quote unquote lost sheep in the nations. That was the plan. And it's taken quote unquote 2 days or 2,000 years. This gospel message has come to bring in this huge harvest of people. All right. And they're known as the lost sheep. So Yeshua, we have to understand that story of the prodigal, that's us. We squandered our inheritance. We took off from the covenant. We wanted to do it our way. Is a historical group of people called the Northern Kingdom. Got to get history, Dustin. Correct history is they were once a united kingdom of 12 tribes, but right after Solomon, they divided into 2 kingdoms. And if you don't understand that, and so the prophets had 2 kingdoms on their hands, and both of them were going south fast, and they had to start talking to, those northern tribes that got kicked off the land and got taken to Babylon, and they got dispersed over the known world. That's what they used to do. And then you had Judah, the southern kingdom. Okay, so this is where you got to understand it starts to the train track like this starts to go like this. And we're over here. We're this group called the Northern Kingdom, the house of Israel, with the house of Ephraim, with the house of Joseph. And it's so beautiful and specific when you understand it. And you got Judah over here, the house of Judah, the faithful, visible remnant, the ones that are over there in the land. Much to say on this.